So guys, months after ordering, I finally got my Tesla short shorts in. They're super short. They're super sexy. So let's unbox them and I'll explain to you the full story surrounding these short shorts. And before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe. Where else are you gonna get content online of a guy standing on a desk in a pair of short shorts? You know, like, this is free content. The least you can do is hit the like button. I feel like I'm the last person to get them from the initial order. They're finally here. You can see the box says Tesla short shorts on them. There's a nice little Tesla logo right there. Again, says Tesla short shorts. And on the back, Tesla short shorts. Now keep in mind, these were $69.42. So I do appreciate that they are kind of bougie. I'm sure the box didn't cost that much to make. But I do appreciate that it's slightly a premium experience when unboxing. And a thing I'm kind of afraid about, I kept reading the sizing on this and it seems like it's women's size. So I was very worried about them fitting. So I have a comparison I'm gonna do. I have a pair of just small Adidas shorts I've worn for years. I've literally had these things for 10 years, but I still work out with them in them and they fit me pretty good. So if the short shorts are anywhere close to this size, I'll be happy, even though I realize that that's not the intended purpose. But I'd rather these actually fit me than be a joke, you know? I don't want them comically small. Okay, so the box is off. We're greeted by some bougie tissue paper and a nice sticker. Nice little touch. There we go. It was actually folded good too, so you're just immediately greeted by the sexy label. Nice. Whoa, they feel crazy. Okay, honestly, they're not bad. The size, I was expecting them to be kind of massive for extra large after thinking. I mean, the waist does seem pretty big. Might feel like a skirt. But here is my small men's compared to the extra large short shorts. So you can see it's not really much. And obviously the short shorts are still shorter. So I think that this was actually a good call on my behalf. Yeah, the material is not what I was expecting. It's just very lightweight, flowy material. It's just nothing. How much did these cost? This had to have been 25 cents of material, if we're being honest. But yeah, that's what they look like. And if you didn't know, it's just not sexy for no reason. It stands for the different models of Tesla. So Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y. That's why it's there. There is a purpose. And the short shorts do kind of have another hidden meaning. It just has a lot to do with the Tesla stock price and short sellers. So these were just launched at a really good time of the year when the stock price is supposedly going to be really high, especially during the S&P 500 inclusion and all the different earnings and stuff they have. Okay. They actually, they come up very far. These are legit, short shorts. To the point where if you have boxer briefs, they're going to show. I'm not sure what you're supposed to wear underneath these. Yeah, these are an extra large. I guess I need to start working out if extra large fits me. Oh my God, why do I love these? They're actually really comfortable. What has my life come to? So if you're wondering about the history of these short shorts, why the heck did Tesla release a pair of super short satin red shorts with the word sexy on the back? That doesn't make sense, right? Well, there's actually a lot to it. It's more than just some sexy looking shorts. But then when they were finally dropped, in July of 2020, everyone went crazy. It was right before, I believe, Q3 earnings were gonna come out. So it seemed like a big sign of things to come. It was a very bullish statement. A lot of people thought the Tesla stock was going to skyrocket because of that. Because also short shorts, like there's more to it. Short shorts is a play on words, and it's kind of being petty towards the people that short the Tesla stock. So for years and years and years, when Tesla stock was pretty flat, a lot of people think it's due to short sellers artificially like just keeping the stock flat. And finally Tesla has become this massive unstoppable force that the stock is just running up. Like there's not really anything these people can do anymore. Like you only have so much money where you can short the stock with. So this is kind of a celebration, the short shorts and then the Tesla tequila, that Tesla is finally doing really, really, really good. Also around the same time these short shorts came out, there was rumors of Tesla S&P 500 inclusion, which we thought was going to be in Q3 2020, but it happened to be in Q4 2020. It's all coming together, and ironically, I just got these a few days ago as Q4 inclusion is happening like this coming week. So while these may look like stupid, foolish, childish things to wear, like, oh, like why are grown adult males wearing these stupid shorts? Like there's actually a big meaning to it. It has a lot to do with the Tesla stock price. It has to do with giving some jabs at the Tesla short sellers that are now basically losing their whole life on Tesla stock going up so much. It's just a big celebration. So yeah, that's the whole point of short shorts. Now, are they worth $69.42? No. Like in my opinion, these probably cost like $1 or $2 to make. Like the amount of money Tesla is making on these is insane. And I like that I can use a chair. Like I'm a product. You know how people do tech reviews and like they put their product on a spinny thing? I'm going to do this. I'm going to fall off. But yeah, like I really wouldn't wear these other than for fun. Like I'm not sure how well the Tesla logo and the words on the back will stay on. Like if you wash these, not sure what would happen. I imagine the words would eventually peel off. So I anticipate a lot of people buying these, taking a picture or two, and then putting them back in the box, or maybe even framing them. If you wanted something to work out in, just go to Walmart or Target and buy a cheap pair. Like, do not work out and ruin $69 pairs of shorts. These are more so for fun. Take some pictures for social media. Put them somewhere safe, That's kind of the honest truth, They're not made to, like, live in, But they're fun. And I'm curious to see, like, how much money Tesla made on these. Like, on their Q4 earnings report. Like, will they make it known how many were shipped and how much freaking profit was made off these? Like, it has to be ridiculous. And also the crazy thing, like, I bought an extra large, and typically in like exercise shorts, I wear like a small or a medium. So keep in mind, these are literally like based on women's size. So people that bought like a small or a medium, I'm not sure how they're fitting into them. Like, they probably are extremely tight and unusable. Not to mention you like have to wear underwear with these, because I'm not sure if you can see this, but they go up mighty far. Like, you can't just be wearing these out in public without underwear, or you're going to probably get arrested. But yeah, there is my short shorts video. Hopefully this video does not get demonetized by YouTube. And if you made it this far, do not forget to like the video and subscribe. I'll put 2 more videos right there for you to watch. Thanks so much. Bye.